distorted reality. Think as it is a true. Always, whatever you are doing, think that it is going to happen, it is going, and give your more than 100% and have one goal and work on it like you are a successful. When you have that mindset, you have that attitude, you will be successful. Okay. Then environment, create it or change your environment. If your environment is not allowing you to do something, change it or create the environment. If you can't change it, create, or if you can change it, change it. Okay. See future. Example, when Xerox company didn't realize the potential of technology, Steve Jobs realized the potential of technology and he brought user interface to Mac. They couldn't realize the potential and they couldn't have vision to understand that this is what Apple made $1 trillion company.